Hi, my name is Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about consistency and the importance of consistency. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, thanks so much for being here. And if you would consider hitting that little subscribe button down there, it'll shoot out those videos as I release them each and every week. So let's dive into this. Consistency. It's the process of doing something consistently on a consistent basis, which is doing it over and over and over again consistently. And what makes it so challenging for new marketers is it's what to do, right? I mean, what do you even do? How do you even get started? So, once you get started and then you can put together a small, daily method of operation where then you can create some steps that you can do over and over and over again that will bring your business to life. So, affiliate marketing, doing anything digitally online, you really have to work at doing the same things over and over again because people should be looking for you. Like if I say I'm gonna post a video every Wednesday on YouTube, by gosh, I need to post a video on YouTube every Wednesday. So the consistency part's the hardest because for most people, you're overwhelmed. You don't know what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and you never get started. And that's the tricky piece. I mean, simple doesn't mean easy. Simple is keeping it simple and letting everything fall into place. So daily method of operation, let's say it's to post to Facebook 3 times, it's to post a YouTube video once a week, it's to email your list 3 times a week, it's to write some content once a week, it's to do a webinar once a month. I mean, that is a lot of work, right? And for a new marketer, it really should be post on Facebook, learn YouTube, post a video so people can get to know, like, and trust you on one platform or another, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, it doesn't matter, but pick a platform and be consistent. So choose that platform. If it's Facebook, choose it. If it's YouTube, choose it. And then get consistent and be regular with it. Even for me, I was in a YouTube 30-day challenge and was posting videos, and I had a week-long vacation to Alaska, which you would think would have been a great opportunity to post some videos, but the internet was terrible. It was way more than I bargained for. So I missed a few days. I came back, I finished up, and then my mom had some heart issues, so I had 5 days. I was at the hospital the whole time. I posted one video. I mean, your consistency is going to go up and down and all around, but the key is recognize whether you are being consistent or not and how do you get back on track, right? Because when the train goes off the track, you got to get it back on the track. You just got to get it back, and we're all going to bounce off the track. We're all going to get off the line, so to speak. And you just have to know how to figure out how to fight back to get back on track. And for me, shooting this video was the first one I've shot in a while because I've had family issues. So, and we can make excuses, we can do whatever, but the bottom line is I haven't been consistent. And that's why I wanted to shoot this video, because it's going to happen to everybody, right? Even the most successful people. In fact, the gentleman who started our 30-day YouTube channel, he even missed some days. He's a YouTube guy. He's a video guy. But things got in his way, and he realized some of the things he needed to change in his schedule so that he would be able to be more effective. And there are things you can get somebody else to do when you're in a place in your business by hiring a VA. They could set up some posting for you. They could, maybe write your video description. They could maybe load your video into YouTube, set it up with the keywords and get it going. There are just some things you can learn to give up, right? But until you get there, you need to find a way to be as consistent as possible, to deliver a piece of content every day. whether that's a post on Facebook, again, whether that's a YouTube video, whether it's a you're going into a group, whether whatever the case may be, providing value, giving back, posting content so people get to know, like, and trust you is just so very, very, very important. And consistency is the number one thing that kills people. It kills their business because you wake up and you start over. You get up and you think you're going in the right, and you start over. And, there are a few things I've learned in my life as, a former collegiate athlete, and you just do things in a certain way because, one, it gets comfortable, and two, you're going to do it, right? As soon as you start breaking up the pattern, then it ebbs and flows. I have a morning routine. I do the same thing every day when I get up, when I'm at home and not traveling. I just do it. It's comfortable for me. It starts my day. It puts my day in a good place. I'm already ahead of the day because I already know what I have to do and the 3 things that are most important. So for me, that's super important. Then I get to work, and I've got my items in my book, in a notebook that I keep, and I checking them off. I know what I need to do that day. I don't go into my day not knowing what I have to do, because then there's zero consistency, right? You're just all over the place. So that's the one consistent thing I have done is with my morning routine. I take it to work, and then at work, I continue. But the hard part is providing a piece of content, producing a piece of content, delivering a piece of content every day as a new marketer. That's tough. That's really tough. And that's going to be the hardest part you're going to have to learn how to do when you're getting online. So again, my suggestions, newbies, pick one platform and deliver that content. If you can get every day in, every other day, if you're doing blogging at least once a week, video, YouTube at least once, you should be doing it every other day, but you got to get it up there once a week and start being consistent with 1 or 2 times a week. And then as you get better, you can maybe become a daily content provider. And that's when your business will really explode because people are going to be looking for you. They're going to know you're out there. They're going to pick up the phone and call you and ask you a question because you delivered some content that they're curious about, or they're looking for something. They're looking for a new business opportunity or a new product to help them solve a problem, and you're going to be front and center because they've seen your videos, they subscribe to your channels, or you're a friend on YouTube, or you're on their Instagram page, and you constantly deliver that content, and therefore they know what you're delivering, and it becomes comfortable for them. So I don't want to beat a dead horse, but boy, oh boy, consistency is so important. So as you start your online journey and you get started into affiliate marketing, definitely, look at your daily method of operation. What do you do day in, day out that you can be consistent with? And then from there, add to that. But just make sure you're delivering content on a regular basis, consistently, whatever that is. Just pick it and do it and deliver it. And then you can up the ante. But so many people bite off more than they can chew, and then they quit. And that's the one thing I don't want you to do. You can't quit because there's too much on the other side, right? There's way too much opportunity online and opportunities to really, make some serious changes in your life. It can happen online if you are willing to figure this out. And the big piece of this is going to be consistency. So that's it for now. Again, please, if you found some value in this video, give me a shout out, give me a thumbs up. If you've got some questions, all my contact information is below. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll get you notified on weekly videos. But, really do your best. Tomorrow, start your day. Come up with a plan and do what you say you're going to do. Be consistent. And then do it again the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. And I promise you, your business is going to blow up. It's going to be great. So that's it for now. We will see you on the next video. Take care.